Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a theatre list. The theatre manager will assist the practice in managing their theatre bookings. The bookings can be made in a diary and the user will be able to print or download the theatre list from these bookings. The practitioner can either keep the theatre bookings on a separate diary or block out the times for the theatre in their current daily diary. The user must enable and configure the theatre manager and theatre bookings in the settings before creating the theatre list that will display in the diary. From the diary screen, proceed and click on the Theatre Manager tab located on the navigation bar. The Theatre Manager screen will open. Go ahead and click on the Add Theatre List button. The Theatre List Workflow Event screen will open where the user can add all the details for the specific theatre day. We will now go over the various fields within the Theatre List Workflow Event screen. Diary is the diary field that will display the diary of the doctor who will go to the theatre for the theatre session. Date is the date field that will display the date when a practitioner is booked for theatre. Start time is the time the practitioner is booked for theatre. End time is the time the practitioner theatre booking will end after the theatre cases are done. Hospital or facility is the place where the theatre booking will take place. The user can manually add a hospital or facility, or the user can add it from Medibase. Please note that Medibase is the definitive source of healthcare contact information in GoodX. The online directory is freely available to GoodX clients for any and all healthcare information needs. Click on the plus button next to the hospital or facility text field. An attention pop-up will appear. Click on the Please search the facility you wish to add drop-down menu to select the location of where the theatre consultation will take place. Alternatively, proceed and click on the Insert Details from External Source button. The Medibase search screen will open. Search for the hospital or day clinic in the Enter Location field, which has Google Maps functionality. Click on the Close button to cancel the selected information and return to the Theatre List Workflow Event screen without saving. Click on the Select button to save the selected information and return to the Theatre List Workflow Event screen. The user can add a surgeon or anaesthesiologist by clicking on the plus button next to the Anaesthesiologist field. An attention pop-up will appear. Click on the Please search the anesthesiologist you wish to add free text field to select the anesthesiologist. Or alternatively, proceed and click on the Insert Details from External Source button. The Medibase search screen will open. Click on the Search for person by name, town or speciality free text field to search for the desired practitioner. Select the desired practitioner from the list. Click on the Close button to cancel the selected information and return to the Theatre List Workflow Event screen without saving. Click on the Select button to save the selected information and return to the Theatre List Workflow Event screen. For more information on how to search and add a surgeon or anesthesiologist manually or through Medibase, please refer to the Add a Surgeon Anesthesiologist user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Referring Doctor's Search filter field and start typing the name of the practitioner. A drop-down menu will appear as soon as one character is typed in the field. Select the applicable practitioner. Click in the Select an Assistant to add field. The user can search for an assistant to add by clicking on the drop-down menu arrow and selecting an assistant. Click on the minus button to remove the referring doctor or assistant that were added to the theatre list. Click on the Close button to exit the Theatre List Workflow Event screen without saving the theatre list. Click on the Save button to save the theatre list for the doctor. The theatre list will then be added to the list. The Edit button will allow the user to change the current details on the theatre list, for example date, time and so forth. Click on the Edit button. The Theatre List Workflow Event screen will open. The user can now edit or update the details. Click on the Close button to exit the Theatre List Workflow Event screen without saving the theatre list. Click on the Save button to save the theatre list for the doctor. Click on the Move button. An attention pop-up will appear. The Move button will allow the user to move the theatre list with all operations added from one diary to another diary, which will include the time and all operations. The user can click on a drop-down menu to select the applicable theatre list. Click on the Cancel button to cancel moving the theatre list to another diary. Click on the OK button to confirm moving the theatre list to another diary. Click on the Delete button. An attention pop-up will appear. The Delete button will allow the user to delete the selected theatre list. Click on the No button to cancel deleting the theatre list. Click on the Yes button to confirm and delete the selected theatre list. Click on the Email button. The Email Workflow Event screen will open. The Email button will allow the user to email the theatre list in a PDF format. For more information on how the Email Workflow Event screen works, please refer to the Workflow Event Template, Email Template, User Manual, linked in this video's description. The theatre list that was created will display on the diary with the time slots marked in a theatre color as selected in the theatre setup. For more information to complete the theatre setup, please refer to the Theatre Setup User Manual, linked in this video's description.